Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. 2022 has begun. Thought I would take care of a few honeydew items today, a few maintenance items around the house. About to go up and swap out some AC filters, clean the condensation drain lines with some vinegar, and then Nellie and I are going to head over to Lowe's and take care of a few things there. We also have a freeze coming tomorrow, so we're going to take care of a few things there just to make sure everything's good here at the house. So head on up. Okay. That's dirty. 2025. Okay. All right, that's it up here. Easy schmeezy. Change the filters and clean the drain lines with some vinegar. And I'm gonna go toss these and head over to Lowe's, do some more little chores and preventative maintenance. Okay, I have never seen Lowe's so empty of plants and flowers and such. So we are picking up some roses. Happy wife, happy life.